Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited that you're here because today we have another what's in my bag. And I feel like I do these way too many times. Like maybe you guys are so sick of me doing this, but I just have to show you guys my new bag. I have literally gotten so many questions and compliments about it since I have worn it, and it's only been like a week. So if you're curious as to what that bag is, if you want to stick around and see what's inside my bag, I did carry a couple of new things. So if you guys want to see, then make sure you keep on watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love for you guys to subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and today is Friday, so you guys get a new video. Just a side note before we get started, all of the products and things that I can link will be linked down below, so the bag and all of the things that I'm carrying inside of it. I'm like really excited to show you guys. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen that I posted this bag. Now it is a really gorgeous large / medium-sized bucket bag, and this is my very first bucket bag actually. I don't actually own any other bucket bags besides this. Okay, let's just take a minute and just look at how gorgeous this bag is. Like, come on, the color is beautiful, the tassels, the detail, the little silver like scissors right in the front. So this bag is from a brand called JosephandStacey. Now JosephandStacey did reach out to me and they wanted to gift me with two gorgeous bags, and I'm just really thankful, number one, for them sending this to me so graciously, but number two, that it's a Korean product, a Korea-based product. Now I am 100% Korean, most of you guys do know that, and to be able to support like a brand that is based in South Korea is just, it's really special to me. And I do want to show you guys the other bag that I was sent because you guys will die. It's so cute. I don't want to keep rambling, so let's just get into what's inside the bag. So there's just a drawstring feature that you can like make the bag bigger. Did I just get makeup on this? No, I didn't. I'm fine. I'm actually going to set the bag down on my lap because I don't want to be carrying it up this whole time. However, let's just talk really quickly about the features. So this bag has a silver lining in the inside. It's gorgeous. Really, really amazing quality leather. But the bag comes with a top handle feature. It comes with the same color strap. It also comes with a dust bag. So it looks like this. And it comes with like tissue paper that I just left in here. And then it also comes with a black airplane seat belt. That's like the same material as this strap. The bag also comes with a little pouch, but let's just jump straight in. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside this huge tote bag. First things first, my iPhone. Nothing really special. I really do need to upgrade my phone. Next thing is my glasses case that does not have any glasses in it because my glasses are actually downstairs. Next thing is my wallet. So I changed back to the Louis Vuitton monogram wallet that I was using. You guys have seen this already on my channel. I was using this as my wallet, but I had some like checkbooks and bills, or like I had some cash and checkbooks and stuff that I wanted to just carry. So I went back to this, but I still love this one. I have some Cosrx pimple patches. This is because I went to get a facial yesterday, and at the place that I go to, it's in Koreatown, and they have like this Korean beauty supply store, and they sell a lot of these. So I just picked up a thing of these, a pack of these. I picked up a pack of these. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm like getting over a cold right now. Okay. Next up are my keys. So I decided to just put my keys on the safety pin because I was getting so tired of like losing my keys. You guys know I had my Henry Bendel thing, but then like I took it off because I was carrying a little clutch just to carry the key fob around. And then I like lost my key fob for a little bit and it was just a mess. So I decided to get this huge key safety pin so that I can see it. It makes a lot of noise. It jingles and jingles so that I know where it is. All I have on here is my Equinox pass, my keys, and this little monkey that my mom put on there because she was tired of me losing it too. Next, I've got just a Chanel hand cream. I love this hand cream so much. It smells really delightful. It's very hydrating. So they have two versions of this hand cream. They have a thicker version, the one that I have here, like a heavier cream, and then they have like a more thin consistency. I'm not exactly sure, but it's a thinner consistency than this one here. This is called the La Creme Malt, texture rich. I've literally been on the hunt for a fragrance that smells just like this. If you guys know of any, please let me know because I love the way this smells. It smells incredible. Let's see. Next, I've got an eyelash curler in here. So random. I don't know why I have that in here. I'm just gonna set that back on my vanity. Next, I have hair ties because you can never have too many. The next thing I have is my Laniege lip sleeping mask. I threw this in my bag because I was running out of the house and I was like, I need some lip balm because my lips are so dry. And this was the first thing I saw next to my bed. I love this stuff. I use it every single night. It smells so good. It smells like kind of watermelon-y. Oh, it says it's like a berry mix. I don't know. It smells watermelon-y to me. So it smells really good. My sister loves this stuff. So my sister sleeps over our house like every weekend and stuff. And she comes in my room just to use this and then she walks away. So it's really good. And yeah, it's really like plumpy and juicy and bouncy. I love this. If you're looking to try a new sleeping mask or a new lip balm, I highly recommend it. The next thing is, I had Bible study this week and they gave us, like, we're starting this new series and my Bible study leader just gave me like a notebook. Next, I have my vlogging camera. So I am vlogging. Maybe I should like add a piece of this in the vlog right now. So I use the Olympus Pen EPL8 for my vlogs. I'm currently filming a YouTube video about what's inside of my bag. I'm like filming here and I'm filming here. Next, we've got my AirPods and nothing really more to say. Love my AirPods. They're a lot of fun to just listen to music with, go to the gym with, and like work out in. Lastly, let's go into the two pouch situations in the bag. So this one here, you guys saw in my what's in my Louis Vuitton Ava bag, and I showed you guys what's inside. Now I've added a couple of things. I have a compact, and I realize it's so important to carry a compact, especially if you have oily skin like I do and stuff. It's really, oh, I'm sorry you guys, I forgot to turn my phone off. It's really important to just carry a compact, not only like to look at yourself and stuff, I realize, but I get super duper oily throughout the day, and I really like touching up. So this is a Uemura compact that I got from my trip to Japan earlier last summer, and I'm trying to, okay. So it's just translucent powder, and I know that other brands do this, and it comes with like a little puff that you can just set inside of here, but it does a really good job at like absorbing the oil and just kind of giving me like a touch up. Let's see, I'll do it right now. I mean, it's already powdered, but I'm getting a little oily. So I'll just like take the puff and then I'll just like take the end and I'll go in like that. And then I'll literally just press on my T-zone where I feel like I'm getting oily. That's about it. That's literally a compact. Okay, next, inside of the blue pouch, I have all of my lip products with me. So I do carry quite a few lip products. So this is Cool Girl Too Faced Matte Melted Liquid Lipstick in Cool Girl, like I just said. Oh my. 여보세요? Thank you. Bye. Sorry, you guys. My mom called. Okay, I was talking about lipstick. So the lipsticks that I wear every day is Nude Cade Fairy Victoria both by Charlotte Tilbury. Love these lipsticks. Like, if you are looking for a really amazing lipstick and you're tired of using like drugstore or whatever, like I highly recommend Charlotte Tilbury. Like, her formulas are so good. The next lipstick I have in here is HoneyLove by MAC, one of my very favorite lipsticks. I kind of didn't use it for a while. I saw it recently in my vanity, and I'm really excited to start using it up again. Then this one is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Lips. I think this is the Hollywood Lips Seduction Lip Gloss, and this color is amazing. It's one of my favorites. There's no glitter or crazy like, you know, little bits in here, anything like that. It's just the gloss, which is what I really like. It's just the color. So yeah, that is all. Oh, I also have just like some eye drops in here because like I said, my eyes do get really dry wearing contacts and stuff. And then in the front pocket, I have a panty liner and a quarter and some bobby pins. And then lastly, in this pouch that goes, that kind of connects to the actual bag is this one here. It says JosephandStacey, kind of like embossed. I don't know if that's the right word, but it's like pressed into the leather. So in here, I do carry kind of like my loose, small little items. So I've got a pack of emergency. Like I said, I'm getting over a cold, so I do carry this around with me. And then I have my Body Shop Almond Nail and Cuticle Manicure Oil, the cuticle pen thing that I mentioned in my previous video. I have been carrying this around, and this stuff smells really good too. It makes your cuticles just look really, really good. I just love the way that my fingers and my hands look when I do put this on. I'm like addicted to like putting it on. It's crazy. Like I'll just sit there and like wipe the pen all around my nails. It's really fun. So if you like stuff like that, like then I would try that out. I have a pack of 5 gum in here. So I've mentioned this in previous videos, but I carry tweezers no matter how small or big my bag is. Tweezers are a must-have in my purses because sometimes you just don't know when you need tweezers. Like if you have a stray brow hair and you feel like everybody's staring at it, or you have like something like a stray upper lip hair, or like your eyelashes are poking out, you know, so it's really good to carry a pair of tweezers. I also carry lash glue in here, but I took it out because I was actually putting my lashes on today. So I do carry lash glue in my purses. And then lastly, I do carry some earphones with the actual cord. This I carry in case my AirPods do run out of battery, but also like it's nice to have the option to have both. And when I do travel, I like wearing my earphones more than my AirPods, just because in case like I lose it and stuff. And then lastly, I have like this really itty bitty NYX lip pencil. Like look how tiny that is. I've used this so much, and this is my favorite, one of my favorite lip pencils. This is the 810 natural lip pencil. It's only a couple of dollars from Ulta or like any kind of drugstore, and it's one of my favorite lip pencils. So that is everything in this little pouch here, and that is actually everything in this bag. But before I sign off on the video, I wanted to show you guys my JosephandStacey bag that I also got the kind of belt or hip sack. I don't really like using that word. I'm gonna just call it a belt bag. But this one here also comes with a dust bag, and this one, you guys, is like one of their best sellers. I'm not surprised because it's so gorgeous. So this is actually like a little coin purse situation, and then you got a gold chain that keeps it connected, and then the bag itself just opens up like this. I've got tissue paper inside of it. It does fit my iPhone 8 Plus, so you could wear it. You could wear it on its own like this as a clutch, or you can attach the belt strap that it comes with and then convert it. I'm just dropping everything. And then convert it into a belt bag, which looks amazing on your outfits. And I saw the girl on the website, she wore it like kind of like across like that over her shoulder, and that was really cute too. So those are all the things in my bucket bag. I love this bag so much, you guys. I really hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. That definitely helps me out, and it lets me know what kind of videos you guys like watching. If you have not yet, again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe down below. I do make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you guys again on Monday. Bye!